Hi there, and welcome to the MPC Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use MPC Studio's Touch Strip to control internal and third-party plugin effects parameters and instrument plugin parameters directly from the hardware. Now, I've got a project open, and the first thing we're going to do, press our Touch Strip button until you see Q-Link on the LCD screen. Now, if you hold down Touch Strip button, you can now use the pads to jump between any of the 16 available Q-Links. Now, to control our plugin effects, we need to make sure we have screen selected on our Q-Link mode. Now, once this is done, as soon as we now open up a plugin, you'll see all of the available parameters instantly map to the Q-Links. Now again, if we hold down the Touch Strip button, we can now use the pads to jump between all of the available parameters. Let's select Mix Wet and Dry. And now I'm using the Touch Strip to control that parameter. Now, as soon as we open up another plugin, and this is a third-party plugin, again, you'll see the 16 Q-Links auto-update. Hold down the button, select the pad, and now we're controlling the parameter, again from the Touch Strip. So this allows us to have much more hands-on control when using plugins. Now, to control instrument plugin parameters, first let's go to track 2, where I've got an instance of Hype selected, and now we're going to change our Q-Link mode to Program. Now this will display all of the available parameters within Hype that we can also control from the Touch Strip. Hold down the Touch Strip button, and then use your pads to select the parameter that you wish to control. Let's use Cutoff. Now let's select Reverb. Let's jump to Delay. So this makes it very fast and intuitive to control your parameters directly from the hardware. Now, to learn more about MPC Studio and MPC software, head over to the MPC Academy, and there you can watch more tutorials. Thanks for watching.